Welcome to a new episode of One Punch. I'm at an abandoned hospital in South Africa. This is Kempton Park.
Going left.
Fellow Ghillie sniper Kicking Mustang and I are tasked with flanking the enemy's position. Our second objective is to eliminate all patrols in the area. Intel states there's a ventilation shaft on the second floor. Third and final objective, disrupt all reinforcements.
Are you kicking?
Meanwhile, Mustang's having a religious experience. Back inside, running through players, it's time to set up a trap. I'm gonna try and take one hostage with the banana and shoot the rest.
Blue. I'm blue. I'm blue. Got you too. Got you in the backpack. Yes, yes, yes. Good try. Good try. Good try, guys.
This Glock mag was seriously blessed. I went through 4 mags without having to refill gas.
Frag out. Hey, come. Hey, silent knife kill.
Oh, you're not red. Ah, shove it. Hit.
Silent means no saying hit.
Actually fucking dropped.
Hit. You found me.
Well done, dude. Where the fuck did you go?
I jumped out the balcony and went around.
Not a fuck, bro.
Absolutely.
You are one crazy motherfucker.
Fuck
You know
yeah.
that, eh?
Guys, that was awesome. Good fight.
That was such a fun cat and mouse. Really intimidating, man.
Cool.
Dude, that helmet just... it's like something else.
Fine, I'm just gonna go everywhere. All the ledges. This is gonna be stupid.
Whoa, well done.
I see this gal showing off her airsoft wounds. I try to be nice and put one in the plate carrier. But I hit a branch and hit her in the chest. Her friend was laughing at her, so I had to share. Meanwhile, Kicking Mustang is creating chaos in the fields. After disrupting reinforcements, I fortify in the middle of the map and help Nicco push the stairwells.
They're shooting the cardboard boxes thinking they can get me. I just shot out that dude's optic. Whoops.
We hold the center of the map. Let's check in on Mustang. I had a gut feeling it was Mustang, and he needs to go off for stitches. Check out Kicking Mustang and Names Nicco's channel for more action from Kempton Hospital.